Welcome to the in front of me HONOR Magic4 Lite, and I'll show you how to change icons shape with the X Icon Changer app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and then here in the search bar we should enter the X Icon Changer. And now we should get this application. That's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. Now just tap here to open the app. And let's just select one from these available apps. For example, let's use the contacts. We can select one from these library folders for the different icons. Also, we can use photo from our device gallery or just to take a picture in camera app right now. For example, let's use this one. You can rename the icon if you want the application. Then just tap here to OK on the right upper corner. We should now just skip the videos here. And just tap here to add. Now we can go to desktop directly or change the next icon by the same way. And now let's go to the home screen, and we can see here the new contacts icon, and let's see where is the regular contacts application. Okay. Oh my god. Contacts. Okay, so we can see yeah, it's here. So now we can see the regular contacts icon and the new one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.